Beautiful family, welcome to the Nabis Kitchen. How are you all doing? I sure hope you're having a fantastic day. I am excited to present to you my shawarma, chicken shawarma recipe. Almost everything is homemade. The pita bread, even the tahini sauce is homemade. And I'm excited to walk you through how all of this came to be. Let's begin. Shawarma is well known and loved by Ghanaians and introduced to Ghanaian people by the Lebanese. I'm starting my marinade with sumac, coriander powder, turmeric, cumin, cinnamon, paprika, salt. You'll need some fresh or granulated garlic in here. I have 3 cloves. I'm going to crush them directly into the marinade. And growing up in Ghana, I remember shawarma as being wrapped like burritos using flour tortilla like bread. We're also going to need some plain yogurt, and this is 2 heaping tablespoons of it. And the yogurt will help to tenderize the chicken breast and keep them very moist and juicy. And for some acid, we're using the juice of half a lemon. Then you'll also need to drizzle in some cooking olive oil or any cooking oil of choice. Now stir it to combine. That's all she wrote. How simple is that? And if you're making this with me, you know shawarma, chicken shawarma is in the making. Now here are my chicken breasts. And of course you can use your chicken thighs even for more flavor. I'm going to butterfly these so that they're a lot thinner and will cook faster. That's the only reason we're cutting them into 2 flatter pieces. Lay them in the marinade so they can start soaking up all those warm and aromatic spices. Next, you'll need to coat all the chicken pieces very well and evenly with this lovely marinade. And you should marinate for not less than 1 hour. I marinated mine for 4 hours that day. You can even do overnight. So this is one that it's very convenient for if you know you're making it the next day. Hey, you can marinate the chicken the day before to save you some time the day of making the shawarma. It's vegetable prepping time, so get your knife skills on. And let's cut some clean, crunchy vegetables together, y'all. Starting with the tomatoes, right from the vine. Can't get fresher than that. I cut those into sizable rings. Then we got the lettuce and then some cucumbers. Also some red cabbage, then red bell peppers. Don't forget your onions. And you already know you need some carrots in here for that color, more crunch, sweetness, and also nutrition. Cut them into slabs and then julienne them or cut them into these thin strips. Beautiful. Done. We also have some pickles on the side. Now let's make our tahini sauce. So I have here these roasted sesame seeds. 1 garlic is all you need, friends. Don't overdo it with the garlic. And then you need your plain Greek yogurt. All right, 2 heaping tablespoons will be sufficient. You'll need a few drizzles of some olive oil, and because we've added oil, we need to think of acidity to cut through the richness the oil offers. So I have half a lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze the juice directly into the blender cup. And I'm also adding some salt to season and to taste, followed by the crushed black pepper, because those 2 things go hand in hand, especially in the Nabis kitchen. Blend it up and your tahini sauce, your homemade tahini sauce is ready. This is very mild in that garlic flavor because we only use 1 clove and it is very tasty, friends. How easy and how quick is that? And for our second sauce, we're going to use some plain yogurt again, followed by some mayonnaise. And then we're going to add some hot Sriracha sauce to it. This is a sweet chili sauce. So any kind you have access to would work beautifully here. Or if you don't have access to a chili sauce, you can add some cayenne pepper, some garlic granules, some onion granules, salt, pepper, and also some honey. And there you have it, all done. Now let's cook the chicken. We're going to pan fry the chicken in a skillet, friends. It's been marinating for 4 hours, a little over, about 4.5 hours. So it is perfect. The skillet is on medium heat, just a little bit oil will go a long way to move things around really easily. And then I also add some freshly chopped onions. Why? Because I want that infused flavor of grilled onions into the chicken, y'all. Just trying to maximize the flavor. Don't forget to season your onions with some salt and crushed black pepper. Cook them for about a minute and then move them aside and place your chicken there. Now I am inserting the grilled onions in between each chicken piece purposely because they will continue to grill that way, all right? So they can get that caramelized look, taste, and character, which we all love. Have you given me a thumbs up yet? I mean, look at the color on the chicken. Grilled to perfection, friends. Oh, it's amazing. Now the onions are grilled also, done grilling actually, so you're gonna move them onto the chicken pieces once you flip them to the other side so they don't burn. All right, and I cooked the chicken on one side for 4 minutes, flipped it, and did likewise to the other side. So it's gonna be cooked through, and that is important for poultry, okay, especially chicken. Now let's check the internal temperature of this chicken because we want to be safe here. All right, you want 160 or above, and we got just that. So move them out of the skillet and cook your next batch. Now at this moment in time, friends and family, I need to make this announcement that the aroma in your kitchen should be better and surpass that of your favorite shawarma restaurants, if I do say so myself. Now, if you're cooking with me, you'll agree. You will. Perfect. Everything is done. All of our components are ready. It is time now to compose our shawarmas, all right? It's time to put it all together, make it all make sense. All right, so your chicken, you'd want to cut them into strips. And you'll need your pita bread, which I've shared the recipe previously, and the link is below in the description box. All right, you can start with a wrapper. All right, so I'm using parchment paper. I'm also going to be using wax paper, and you can use your press and seals as well. So here, you get creative. You place on there whatever you want. Of course, based on your eater's preference, all right? So there we have it. Veggies, chicken, grilled onions, and we applied some of the chili mayo sauce. Ooh, and now we're drizzling more on there as well as the tahini. It is complete in my opinion. Now wrap it as tightly as you can get it and serve. Let's do another one. Look at how juicy, how moist this chicken breast is, friends. Yeah, that makes me very happy. Your soft and fresh pita bread followed by your chili, mayo, and yogurt sauce. Spread it out evenly. And be as generous as possible with your sauces, friends. It is everything in this recipe. And then add your chicken, your grilled onions. Look at those grilled onions. Oh my goodness, friends. They are showstoppers. Add some crunchy vegetables per your eater's preference. And make sure it's nice and colorful. Tomatoes are going on here, followed by some pickles. Yes, those acidic, pickly, crunchy quality of these pickles. Love that. How colorful is this? Some tahini sauce. Oh yes, oh yes. I say yes to this right here. Winner, winner, chicken shawarma dinner. Just imagine the flavor and all the sensory overload in each bite, friends. Yeah, this is truly a winner. And I hope you give it a shot, friends. And I hope that you're also learning a thing or two. Please show me that by giving me a thumbs up, leaving a comment. Also, share, please. Let's help this video to go as far as it can possibly reach. Share with everybody you know, friends. I really appreciate you all for watching and for spending some time here today with your sister, Madame. I hope to see you pretty soon on my very next one, friends and family. I love you all. I appreciate you all, and God bless. Make it a great day also, and have fun, especially in that kitchen. See you soon. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time. And here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.